Typical CNC machine components are the control unit with CNC software, PLC, and NC cards. The amplifier module provides power feedback for velocity and positioning to the servo motors. Servo and spindle motors are used to move the axes or perform a cut, and the input and output modules allow the machine to communicate to the outside world, such as push buttons, solenoids, and valves, etc. Machine startup conditions. Ensure the pneumatics, hydraulics, coolant, and 120 volt supplies are on. All machine access doors are closed and locked. Place the tool changer selector switch in auto and rotate the feed override switch counterclockwise to 0%. Turn on the 480 volt main disconnect on the main electrical panel. Always follow all specific plant safety lockout procedures. Walk over to the control panel and press the OK or the Enter key and wait for the system to boot up. It should take a few seconds. When the MTC software comes up, press the Enter button to continue. When the control unit boots up to a blank screen, press F8 MUI function key. If the software version is 8-139 or above, press the F7 CNC reset and skip steps 6 through 11. Press F7 NC status and diagnostics. Press F2 CNC reset. Note, if prompted by the password, use the username as N and password N. Press Y for yes to continue CNC reset. Wait a few seconds and press the F10 back key. Press the numerals 1 and 0 and then the Enter key. This should put you into GUI mode. Turn the machine on with the green push button on the control panel under the main screen. Press the fault resets push button to clear all machine faults. Rotate the jog increment switch above 0%. Press the reference axes button to home all axes. The LED light will flash until all axes are at home position. Verify the proper NC program is loaded by pressing the F4 NC program, F5 program select function keys. Your part program, or if required, a warm-up or setup program is highlighted. If not, then cursor up and down to highlight and press the Enter key. Press R7 manual functions, then F6 acknowledge NC program number. Press F1 info being read. Press F8 back. Press Control plus the F8 key to exit. Turn the mode selector switch to auto mode. Press the fault reset push button and set the feed override switch to 0. Press the cycle start push button, set the feed control to 20% for 2 or 3 minutes. Then increase the speed. The machine is running in automatic.